class 11th mathematics, NCERT exercise 7.4. Question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl, if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? Okay. So question is that we have to select a cricket team. Okay, we have to select a cricket team from 17 players. From 17 players, in which 5 are bowler. 5 can bowl. It means how many total players? 17, in which 5 can bowl, means 12 are other player and 5 are bowler. And now we have to select 11 players such that exactly 4 bowlers in each. 4 bowler in each. Okay, means here is the selection. So from this word we can get, this is the question of the combination. Okay, so look here, out of the 17, 12 plus 5 are bowler and 12 are other, and we need 11 players, out of them 4 are bowler. So we need 4 bowlers in each, and rest 7 are other. So 7 we will select from this 12 and 4 we will select from this 5. So here we can find out these are the values of n and these are the values of r. So for that we will apply NCR, into here again we will apply NCR. Understand? So for that we will find out 12C7 into 5C4. From 5 bowlers we need exact 4 bowler. From 12 players we need 7. So that total player will be 11 and from 17 players. Understand? So this we are going to solve. Now we know that the formula of the combination NCR gives factorial n divided by factorial n minus r into factorial r. So apply here that formula, you will get 12C7. 12C7, you will get what? Factorial 12 divided by factorial 12 minus 7 into factorial 7. So just find out its solution. Factorial 12 means 12 into, now look, we have factorial 7 here, maximum number is factorial 7 and here factorial 5 it is, 12 minus 7 is 5. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into factorial 7 we can write that factorial 12. Divide by this one become factorial 5. So factorial 5 I am expanding this factorial. Factorial 5 we can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 7. You can see factorial 7 and factorial 7 can cancel out. Then find out the solution of this. This 2 and 5 become 10 and this 10 will cancel. Now 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Then this 12 will cancel out. Okay. So we have 9 into 8 into 11. 11 into 9 into 8, 72. Now 72 1 ja 72. We know the table of anything from of one time only. So 72 into 1 is 72, and 7 is there. 72 into 1 again 72 plus 7, 79. So that much player, that much way of selection from 12, and we are selecting 7. Okay, now we need exact, this is 12C7. Now we need exact 4 bowler in each. So here are 5 bowlers in this, okay, and 4 we need. So 5 factorial, 5 combination 4 will give factorial 5 divide by factorial 5 minus 4 into factorial 4. Now factorial 5 we can expand factorial 5 into factorial 4 and divide by 5 minus 4 gives 1 and factorial 4. Factorial 4 and factorial 4 cancel out, so you will get total 5 here. Now this is the value of 5C4 is equals to 5. Now you get both values. Our final answer means total selection, total 11 we need. So 7 by this way we can find and 4 by this way we can find. So just multiply them and you will get the final answer. So 12C7 into 5C4 will give 792 into 5. Now multiply them. 5 into 2 10, 9 into 5 45, 45 plus 1 46 and 4 will be there. 7 into 5 35, 35 plus 4 39 is your answer. Total 3960 way of such selection. Okay, this is your final answer of this question. Got it? I hope you understand this question. So if needed, then you can write, you can pause this video and you can write. So this is the solution of question number 7. Now we will see the next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is that a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. A bag is there. Question number 8. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red ball. Okay. So 5 black and 6 red balls are there. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 balls can be selected. Now we have to select. So these are the values of n. 2 black and 3 red ball. So 3 red we can select from this red, okay, and 2 black we can select from this. From this 6 red ball, we will selecting 3 red ball, and from 5 black ball, we are selecting 2 black ball. So select means this is the question of the combination. So we will apply here combination. Now combination of this NCR we will apply. NCR gives factorial n divided by factorial n minus r into factorial r. How we will select? So for selecting black, selecting. So our n is equals to 5 and r at a time. R is 2. So we will apply the same formula for black. So NCR means 5C2 will give factorial 5 divide by factorial 5 minus 2 into factorial 2. Now look, factorial 5C2. Factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 like that. So we can write 5 minus 2 is 3. Here it is 3 factorial in denominator. So we will write like that 5 into 4 into factorial 3. Divide by factorial 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3. And into factorial 2 we can open this. So 2 into 1. This factorial 3 and 3 will cancel out. And this 2 and 4 will cancel out. You can see here 2. So 5 into 2 is total 10 way of selecting. So 5C2 is equals to 5 into 2. It will give 10. Okay. So this is the value of first selection. Now selecting red ball. So how many red? 3 red we have to select from 6 red ball. So we will apply the same formula n here for red. N equals to 6 and R equals to 3. So NCR we will apply 6C3. It will give 6 factorial divided by factorial 6 minus 3 into factorial 3. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. So you will get 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3. And here 6 minus 3 is factorial 3. This factorial 3 we can expand 3 into 2 into 1. Now look, this factorial 3 and factorial 3 will cancel out. And value of this is 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 is 6. Now 6 is 6 cancel out. So 5 into 4 will be the answer. So 6 factorial 6 combination 3 will be 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Now total selection we need. So our final answer will be, final answer is 5C2 and this way 6C3. So 5C2 is a 10 and 6C3 is a 20. So 20 into 10 you will get 200 is the answer. Understand? So please note down this. This is the solution of question number 8. You can pause this video and you can see the next question, last question of this exercise. Question number 9. Now we will see the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Okay, means total 9 courses are there, total 9 courses are given and we have to select 5 program. So we have to select 5 from 9. Now such that here total 9 are there, but 2 are specific. We have to select compulsory in everything. So if 2 are specific, then remaining are 2 are here specific, then remaining are 7. And here also you have to select 2 are specific. So remaining from this total 5, 2 are specific, then remaining we have to select 3. Okay, so now look, total from this are the n, value of n, and here is value of r. Here again value of n and this is value of r. We will apply here NCR. Now we will see here select. Select means this question is of combination. Combination means we will apply here NCR. So here is NCR and value of n is 2 and r is 2, and here you can see NCR, and for that value of n is 7 and r is 3. So here value of n is 2 and r is also 2, and here value is 7 and r is 3. So we will solve this. 2C2 into 7C3. Now 2C2, we will use the same this formula, factorial n divided by factorial n minus r into factorial r, using this formula. So apply this formula at both places. You will see factorial 2 divided by factorial 2 minus 2. So factorial 0 and factorial 0 gives 1, and this is factorial 2. You can see factorial 2 and factorial 2 will cancel out, and this one gives 1 into factorial 7. So we will write here 7 into 7 minus factorial 3 into factorial 3. Now 7 minus 3 is a factorial 4. So look here, 1 by factorial 0 into 1 into factorial 7. Now 7 minus 3 is 4, so we can expand this. 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4, and it will give factorial 4 into, we can expand this factorial 3. So 3 into 2 into 1. Now this 4 and 4 will cancel out, and 3 into 2 is 6. This means 6. So 6 will cancel out. So you will get, now factorial 0 is 1. So 1 upon 1 everything. Okay, you can write here. Factorial 0 is equals to 1. So that you will get 1 upon 1 into 7 into 5 divided by 1. So your final answer will be 7 into 5, 35 ways. Now this exercise is over. Yes, any doubt? If any doubt, anything is there, you can comment, and if you like my style, then please do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.